Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in knowing how I made this green wall, stay tuned. So today, I'm sorry, I'm gonna be doing this all video if it bothers you. But I think you might want to stick around because I'm doing a DIY. And it's gonna be something really cool. So I went to the store, and as you guys know, spring is about to tiptoe on in here. Went on a whole day's journey of pulling together this stuff so that I can make this grass green greenery wall, grass wall. Oh, this? That's just a backdrop I made. I don't know what it's called. But, so I figured I was gonna take you guys along with me while I make it, and I'll go ahead and get set up, and I'll be right back. Woo, why don't everybody do that? I don't know, but it's cool. Hey. All right, guys, welcome back. I got all of this stuff from the 99-cent store. There are a total of 28 squares of greenery that I'm gonna be using. I have gold and I also have silver tacks. I have these little light things. We're gonna try to incorporate that as well into this, but yeah, so for the most part, I'm just gonna lay them out, tack them down, and try to make myself a green wall. Also, not mentioned here, I have a 16 by 24 cork board that I got from Michael's. It's gonna be badass. Now, I was going to spray paint this so that it could be like really green on green, but I forgot to get the spray paint, and when I laid it out, I was like, nothing wrong with it being white in the back. 9.8 inch by 9.8 inch, which is 24 by 24 centimeters. And this is what it looks like. It's just a little square, and in the back it has the flat grid where plants are sitting on top. I was gonna do this on the floor, but I'm not. I got the gold tacks and I got the silver tacks because I didn't know which ones I would like. I didn't know which ones would look better. Hopefully you can't see them at all. I really want you to not be able to see them. But if you can see them, the gold will be more aesthetically pleasing. So we're gonna do a test run to see how it looks. Y'all, what's so cool is these things have little holes right here on each part of it, so I can actually tack through that. No, I can't. That shit didn't work. That is really cool. So I don't have to like try to stab through this thick plastic. I do really want to do more zhuzhing of it. So I'm gonna eventually order me some letters and some lights from Amazon. So for the white ones, because I think these are really cute, I was thinking about putting them, 4 of them just in each corner and having the rest of it be just the green. But I don't really know. I really don't know. I'm gonna lay it out and then look at it, and then we can decide what we think looks best. All right, so I'm just gonna lay them all out, make sure they all fit. I already know they fit. So once I have them laid out, just trying option 1, then option 2. But I decided to go with just green. I'm not gonna put any white in it. So what I'm doing is basically taking the thumbtacks and I'm pushing it through those little holes that we discovered earlier. Get it, girl. And I would suggest if you do this with the thumbtacks, please get a thicker board. My board was not that thick, so my tacks came through on the other side. Okay, so I also realized that those little holes are for nails to go through and for them to be tacked to each other. If you can afford to put like nails into your wall, you don't have to use the board at all. For me, I live in an apartment, so I cannot nail into my apartment walls. So that's why the board was my option, and here is my finished look. Oh, jailhouse pose. Bring him up. Yeah.
Is that me?
Not caked up, Ish.
That is me. I swear to God, that's me.
I did that. I did that. Voila! Fa la 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 la. Who got a wall? That don't. Who made a wall? Bop boop boop. Hey! I just feel like I should sit here. I'm tired as hell. Oh, this? That's just the backdrop I made. Oh my God, you made that? Yes, I did. All right, so listen, my wall is done. Yes, I know, it's lit. I know, you were like, oh my God. I didn't think it could be so great. Well, joke's on you, you punk ass bitch. This thing, I hate shit that don't come with batteries. Like, that's like really bothers me. Why do y'all do that fuck ass shit? This in here some kind of way. That look creepy. You can't even tell that shit's right there. I'm gonna do some more jazzing up to this, but I'm tired as shit. And I think I did a great job. Like, now that looks really nice. I mean, what do y'all think? I think that shit looks really great, but all in all, the thumbtacks were $1. The board itself was $16 with tax. And then I have 24 of those square things that were $1 each. So that's 25. That's $41 to create this. I think this is a 16 by 24 size board. I mean, when it's on the ground, it comes up to like right here to me, but I had it sitting on some stuff so you guys can see it better. But overall, I'm really proud of myself. That's gonna be a wrap for today. I think that came out really, really nicely. It's gonna be a really nice background. All right, guys, so that's it for part 1. But if I decide to load this by itself, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Peace out.
All right, cut and print. Beautiful, guys. Dynamite.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.